Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 wonderful smoothie recipes to help jumpstart your day. From a refreshing pineapple smoothie, to a delicious blueberry coconut smoothie, and even a green smoothie to help you sneak in one extra vegetable into your day. A special thanks to Dole Pineapple Juice for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this episode. It's thanks to sponsors like Dole that keep me doing what I love here on YouTube. So thank you, Dole, for your support. So first up, my pineapple smoothie. I love this recipe for when I'm coming off all the richness of the holidays and I just want something light and refreshing before heading out the door. So in a blender, you're going to add 2/3 cup of frozen mangoes, 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 ripe banana, and 1 can of Dole pineapple juice. Then you are going to blend that up until everything is nice and combined and smooth. Pour it into a glass, and then I do like to garnish it with a fresh strawberry, which you can just slice down the middle and pop it on the rim. I love this smoothie recipe because the flavor combination is really fantastic. You have the combination of the tartness of the mangoes and the strawberries mixed with the sweetness of the banana and the pineapple juice. One sip and you'll feel like you are whisked away onto a tropical vacation. Okay, next up, my blueberry coconut smoothie. I love this smoothie recipe for when you're looking for something a bit more filling that can last you all the way to lunch. So in your blender, you're going to add a cup of frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup of light coconut milk, 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt, 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes, a teaspoon of chia seeds. Now, if you've never made anything with chia seeds before, they are a great thing to pop into your morning smoothie because they're full of fiber and they actually expand once they hit liquid. So they will make your smoothie thicker and will actually make you feel fuller longer. But a teaspoon is all you need. Now, if you add too much, and I have done this before, you're gonna end up with like a smoothie pudding, which might not be a bad thing. It's actually kind of tasty, but you may not totally love the effect if what you're going for is a smoothie. So word to the wise, just a teaspoon will do the trick. Then you're just gonna whirl that up until everything is nice and smooth and combined, and you can transfer it to a glass. And then I like to garnish this with a little bit more of the coconut flakes. Because it is a nice thick smoothie, it will hold the weight of the coconut flakes. And it's nice to have a little bit of a crunch as you're sipping your smoothie. This is a great smoothie recipe for breakfast, or it also makes a great after-school snack as well. Next up, my green smoothie. This is a great recipe if you're trying to squeeze in one more extra vegetable into your day because it calls for 1.5 cups of fresh spinach. But then we are going to sweeten it up with some fruit. So moms, this is a great one for kids because they'll never know what's in there. So in a blender, you're going to add 1.5 cups of fresh baby spinach, 1/2 of a Granny Smith apple that you've diced, keeping the skin on because there's a ton of nutrients in that skin, 2/3 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 ripe banana, 3/4 cup of water, and a teaspoon of honey. And you can blend that all up until nice and smooth, pour it into a glass, and you'll see how beautiful the color is. This is a great tasting green smoothie because you've got the tartness of the green apple, the sweetness of the pineapple and the honey, and of course all of that delicious, nutritious spinach. This is a great smoothie to start your day. So there you have it, my 3 smoothie recipes that will help you enjoy a lighter take on breakfast as you head into the new year. And special thanks to Dole Pineapple Juice for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. And for more recipes using pineapple juice, you can head to Dole's website. The link is in the description below. Be sure to subscribe for more easy recipes, and I will see you back here next week with another one. Until then, bye.